So hello everyone, welcome to Pipecleaner vase. Okay, today I'll try to make this. So first thing you all have to hold this like this. Okay. Then what you all can do is cut this into two half. Okay. You all need 10 pipe cleaners. 10 pipe cleaners you all need. Cut these 10 pipe cleaners into like this way. You all have to cut it into 4 parts. One each, one pipe cleaner, 4 parts. Okay. So like this way you will require 10 pipe cleaner, and of that type pipe cleaners you will have to make this 4 each pieces. Okay. So yeah, so there are total 40 pieces are required, 40 pieces. Okay. So like this way we can do, like this way. So keep on doing all this. Now this is a thermocol which I'll have to insert like this. Okay. Exactly, insert this thermocol inside, and then this part, for this part you just require one more this pipe cleaner. So with this, what you'll have to do with this now, let me tell you all. You just have to rotate it. Okay, wait, just have to rotate it like this way. You'll have to rotate this. Okay. So like this way you need a two. Okay, like this. So we have to finish the down part, like sticking this part. Okay. Now just take this pipe cleaner. Okay, just join this part. Okay, what you'll have to do is take a pen. You'll have to rotate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then you'll have to join this like this, join it. Okay, then remove this. Okay, like total you can make 7, and then you'll have to put this inside like this, and then twist this. Okay, then you can see, I'll show you all one how to do, rest you all can do, right? Give it a proper shape for that. Okay, yeah, like this way you have to give a proper shape to this. Okay, see, like this way you'll have to keep this part ready. Okay, I'll show you all how to make so let's make a flower now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, twist it, put this inside like this. I'll show you all how to make the flowers. Okay, so 7 petals will be there here. Like this way there will be 7 petals. Okay, so this, keep this ready. Okay, then same way we have to use this one, right? Twist it like this. We all have to twist it. Okay, you can see, right? Then stretch it. This leaf I have already showed you all, okay, in the previous video. You all can check. Okay, so your flowers are ready. Now you all have to insert this inside. Okay, so just follow all these steps and you all can do this. Okay, finally our flower vase is ready. Thanks for watching.